Which of these is a renewable source of energy? The right answer is wind. Which of these is a primary color? The right answer is blue. What is the largest ocean in the world? The right answer is Pacific Ocean. What is the smallest country in the world by population? The right answer is Vatican City. What is the national animal of India? The right answer is tiger. Which of these is not a programming language? The right answer is Photoshop. Which of these countries is not in Europe? The right answer is Brazil. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? The right answer is Brazil. What is the largest continent in the world by land area? The right answer is Asia. Which of these is a type of renewable energy? The right answer is solar. Which country is the largest term of land area? Which country is the largest in terms of land area? The right answer is Russia. What is the name of the scientist who discovered the law of motion and gravity? The right answer is Isaac Newton. Who was the first president of the United States of America? The right answer is George Washington. What is the name of the highest mountain in Africa? The right answer is Mount Kilimanjaro. In which year did the World War II end? The right answer is 1945. Which continent has the highest population? The right answer is Asia. Who invented the light bulb? The right answer is Thomas Edison. Which city is considered to the fashion capital of the world? The right answer is Milan. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? The right answer is Margaret Thatcher. What is the capital city of Brazil? The right answer is Brasilia. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? The right answer is camel. What is the capital city of South Africa? The right answer is Pretoria. Which US state is known as the Lone Star State? The right answer is Texas. What is the capital of Brazil? ब्राज़ील का कैपिटल कौन सा है? ब्राज़ीलिया. What is the capital of Australia? ऑस्ट्रेलिया का कैपिटल कौन सा है? The right answer is कैनबेरा. आई होप कि आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. वीडियो पसंद है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें. चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. अगर आप लोग इस तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोस से आगाह रहना चाहते हैं, इस तरह की मज़ीद तैयारी करना चाहते हैं तो हमारी वेबसाइट विज़िट करें asifbrain.com और इंशाल्लाह वहाँ पे आप लोगों को इस तरह की मज़ीद MCQs मिल जाएंगी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.